D. From F, C, B. From G, A, E. Then outputs are 0, 0, you take 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Take the state table. With this one, we will understand the implication table algorithm. As I told you, this is slightly advanced method, right? And most of the industrial tools are following this method for optimization. Algorithm is different, but purpose is similar, same. Right. This is called state table. This is not implication table, correct? This is called state table. This is called state table now. Okay. Before proceeding our discussion, we should understand how to plot the or how to draw the implication table first. Implication table or implication cells first now. Right. So look here, our intention is we want to compare every state with other states. A with B, A with C, A with D, A with F, A with G, and then B with C, B with D, B with F and all. Correct, no? So every state should be compared with all other states so that we can able to find any similarities there or not. Right, no? We need to obviously compare now. So in order to compare, something we can make like this. I'm making one cell now, one table, something like this. Suppose you assume there are 4 states, A, B, C, D. Assume A, B, C, D. There are 4 states. And similarly here also A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D now. So that means I assumed that there are totally 4 states. Implication table formation method. Implication table, right? There are now 4 states. We assumed 4 states are there. This is separate. We will come back to this one little later. So there are 4 states. Therefore, we have taken A, B, C, D. Here also A, B, C, D. So row wise we have taken all the states and column wise also we have represented all the states. Simple, right? So A, B, C, D in the row wise and then column wise also A, B, C, D now, right? Listen carefully. Suppose no meaning of comparing A with A. Correct? No. Why we should compare the self states now? A with A is not at all required, right? So this is not needed. This is not needed now. I'm putting one dot. A with A has no meaning, no? Why we should compare A with A, B with B, C with C, D with D? So we no need compare, right? But A with B is required, A with C is required, and A with D is also required. A with D also is required. Then you come here, B with B is required. We don't want B with B comparison is also not required, but B with C and B with D is required. Then C with C is not needed, C with D is required, D with D is also not needed now. D with D is also not needed. That means whatever I dotted here, the particular cell, no need to present in our implication table because it has no meaning. That comparison will give nothing, right? Out of the comparison, we will not get anything. Therefore, the dotted pixels or dotted cells, no need to included. We no need to include those cells in our implication table. First point. Second point is, you look here, A with B, this cell will help us to compare and take a decision by comparing A with B. And then if you come here, this cell also will help us to compare A with B only. Correct? No? A with B only now. Therefore, this is also is not needed. In the same way, if you proceed here, this also not needed, this also not needed, this also not needed, this also not needed, this also not needed. That means the diagonal pixels, no, including the diagonal pixels, all these above the line, this line, all these pixels are not required. Not required in our implication table now. Therefore, the implication table will be formulated such a way that, in general, it will be formulated such a way that formulation of implication table. We talk about the formulation of implication table. It will be formulated something like this. So I can say that this will be started from S12, that means first state to S12, S maybe M, S12, S N we will take, S N. Here it starts from S0 into Sn minus 1. S1 to Sn, and here S0 to Sn minus 1. Where S0, S1, S2 and so on, Sn represents all the states. Represents the states. That means we start the state at S0, we stop the state at Sn. Sn. So our implication table, the rows should begin from S1, means S0 should not be included, and it should be ended at Sn. Ended at Sn. Then the column should start from the S0 and should be ended with Sn minus 1. Am I clear, all of you, how this relation has come?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh,
So
sir.
S1.
Sir, can you tell that matrix again so that so I'm unable to clear that?
Your voice is not clear, yeah. Some echo. Once again, tell me.
Sir, can you tell that matrix again, sir? So that
Which one?
implication matrix again, sir.
This one or this one or this
above
one?
above.
Okay.
So this one, sir.
This one or this one? Second one.
Above one, sir. Above one.
Above one.
First one.
Okay,
First one.
okay. See, what we have done here now. 1 minute. Okay, listen now. See, suppose here we have 4 states, right? We have totally 4 states here now. Totally 4 states are there. They are A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. There are 4 states now. So we needed to compare one state with all other states, right? A with other states, B with other states, C with other states, correct? No? Then when we compare, A means we have compare with BCD. Then B means ACD, C means ABD, D means ABC. We have compare now. So in order to understand this comparison, we just formulated some cells here covering ABCD in the row as well as ABCD in the column, right? So here 4 states, here also 4 states. These columns represents our 4 states. The row represents our 4 states. 5 states means 5 states lico. 10 states means 10 states lico now. Right. So this is done. This is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now listen, suppose this cell will help us to compare A with A, because this represent the first column represent A and this row represents A. So the 1, 1, it is something like that, 1, 1. So this A and this A will be compared here now. So A and A comparison has no meaning, no. Why we should compare A with A? Because it will not help us for any reduction now. We need to compare one state with another states now. Correct, no? So A with A is no useful. Therefore, I am cancelling this one now. You cancel this comparison. That means this cell should not present. If that cell included in our implication table, then it means that we are going to compare A with A. Shashank? Shashank, understood? Why that should be removed? Hello? Hello, Shashank? What happened here? Okay, fine. In the same way, B with B is not required. Therefore, we are cancelling. C with C also has no meaning. We are cancelling.
Could be
D with D also we are cancelling. This you understood? Is it clear? Shashank, is it clear? Okay, fine. Some internet issue. Okay, fine.
yes.
Okay. Next, no. So you understood that these diagonal cells are not needed. That we understood now. We no need to include the diagonal cells for our implication table formulation. The reason is they are the self comparison. They are the self comparisons. Then if you go above, correct. Then this cell will help us to compare A with B. That we already did here, A with B. Because this already we included. So A with B is already done here. So A with B and B with A both are same. Therefore, this also not needed, this also not needed, this also not needed. This is not required, this is not required. These things are not at all required now. Correct. So therefore, our rows should be constructed with S1 to Sn and S0 to Sn minus 1 now. Or you can write that this is from S1 to Sn minus 1 and this is from S0 to Sn also now. So that is depends upon the variable what we are using. Maybe S0 to Sn minus 1 if you use, then n minus 1 will come. If you use S1 to Sn, fine. Right? The way how you represent your states, you needed to use the variable also accordingly in the row and column side. So therefore, our implication table will not look like a square. Will not look like a square now. Correct? No? It will look like something like this. So we have drawn here something square. No, it will not be like this actually. It will be something like this. This is our implication table. This is our implication table. This is structure of our implication table. Implication table will not be like this because it is not uniform. This size and this size are different, right? So it will not be like this now. So we are going to formulate the actual implication table for this one based on these two discussions now. Based on these two discussions. So now you tell me. Now you tell me the states here. Tell me the states here. What should be the starting state here for this example? Implication table. What is the starting state here for this example? Implication table.
B.
Here. I'm talking about here.
A.
A. Then
B.
B. Then C.
C.
D.
E.
E. F. Should I include G here?
No, sir.
No. We know Y, right? Already we have seen here. Then you tell me here.
B,
B, C,
C, D,
D,
E,
E,
F,
F,
G.
G. That's all. This should be very clear to all of us, because just like that they will write ABCD, 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 they will write and then proceed. Then we have to formulate the state table now. This is our implication table. Implication table looks like this one only now. It is starting state S0 to Sn minus 1. Here S1 to Sn. So this is the implication table for this state table. Implication table of this state table. This is state table. Any doubt how this has come? All of you clear? How we got this kind of table, implication table for the given application. See, if there are some more states, then accordingly we have to plot the table accordingly. Correct. Fine. Now you take the algorithm. Maybe in one separate page में लिखो implication table algorithm ऐसा लिखो. Separate page में implication table algorithm. Step 1. Step 1. Formulate the implication table. Formulate the implication table. Formulate the implication table. First step. This is the formulation. Second step. Second step. Make the entry in the make the entry in the implication table based on the state table. Based on the state table. Based on the state table. Now you come back. We will continue the algorithm. Now we will come back. Look here. As I told you, we are going to fill the cells here now. We are going to fill the cells here. That means we are going to make the entry in the cells of our implication table now. Right? So look here. So this cell is helping us to compare A with B. That we know already, we have seen in the general discussion here now. So the particular cell, in this cell, we are going to compare A with B now. Right? So when we are comparing A with B, that means we are comparing here, this A with this B now, in the table, state table now. Right? Look there, A with B here. That means our intention is we are going to check whether in A and B can be same or not. A and B can be same or similar or not. So the output concerned, this is also 0, this is also 0, here also 0, here also 0. Therefore, there is no any conflict in the output while comparing A with B. While comparing A with B. And if you come here, when x equal to 1, this is going to be, right? A is going to B when x equal to 1 and B is going to A when x equal to 1. Therefore, this transition also is within the A and B. When x equal to 1, the state transition from A to B, A and B, also within A and B. Therefore, this is also is fine, right? So it is also looks like fine for our comparison. But when you come to x equal to 0, when you compare to x equal to 0, when A is when the state is present state is A and x equal to 0, it goes to D. When the present state is B, if x equal to 0, it goes to E now. Therefore, these states cannot be compared. That is the first conclusion, correct? No, because when x equal to 0, one the state A go to D and state B go to E. But we do not know D and E are comparable or not. We do not know right now. Right now we didn't complete the comparison of D and E. Therefore, we cannot take any decision that A and B can be compared. So what we are doing now, just for our understanding, A and B are comparable and they are the compatible states provided if D and E are comparable. If D and E are comparable now, right? So I'm making one entry in the cell now. A and B are comparable or compatible states means similar states. Compatible state means one can be replaced by the other. Correct? No? So A and B may be the compatible states provided or if and only if D and E are the compatible states. D and E are the compatible states. So we will compare D and E later and then we will come back and take the decisions for A and B. You got the idea now, all of you? So this is the one unique provisions given in this algorithm. Provision given in this algorithm. Correct? No? So A and B are compatible provided if D and E are the compatible. E and D are the compatible. So with that entry, I am leaving the comparison of A and B and then I am proceeding to A and C now. So go to A and C and A and C comparison, the outputs are completely different. Therefore, that comparison is not at all possible. So into karo. A and C comparison is not possible. Why A and C comparison is not possible? Because outputs are different. Outputs are different. You cannot change the output because that output is the ultimate expected result from the circuit. But in between the state transitions can be changed. State transitions can be changed in such a way to reduce your number of states that is needed to generate the expected output. And then go to A and D. A and D can be compared. Hello? A and D can be compared?
No, sir.
No. So put into mark. And then A and E can be compared. Put into
No.
mark. A and F can be compared.
Yes, sir.
A and F can be compared because outputs are similar. And then the X equal to 1, both are going to B state only. That is good. But D and C, correct? No? The D and C and D should be compatible. So I am writing here, the condition is C comma D. If C and D are compatible, then obviously A and F are compatible. You got the idea now? When we prove that C and D are comparable or same, then obviously A and F are also compatible. A and F are also compatible. Then what about A and G? Yes or no?
No,
Not
sir.
compatible.
No. So into karo. In the same way, you fill up all the cells. I also will write the result. You also fill up and then we will compare. Dear students, there is no any algorithm. This is only the algorithm. You clearly understand. Int, but B to F के लिए two compatibilities are required. C, E and A, B. C, E and A, B. Two compatibilities are required. B, G is not possible. And then C to anything is not possible. You don't copy from here. You work out and then you fill up. Then D and E are straight away comparable. Put a tick mark. D and E are straight away comparable. Therefore, put a tick mark. D and F is not possible. D and G are compatible if D and G are compatible if D, E are compatible. E and F is not possible. D comma E, this is not possible. Is it fine for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Others? Anvisha,
Yes, sir.
Sambhurna, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sai Pallavi, Santosh Kumar, all of you understood this filling, how to fill this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Now we go to the algorithm. We can return make the entry as, make the entry in the implication table as. Step 2 inside A. Step 1 is formulate the implication table. Step 2 is make the entry in the implication table as A, chota A. As per the given table, likha tha na as A. Indicate the tick mark in the cell. Indicate the tick mark in the cell if the states are compatible.
Sir, can you repeat?
Indicate the tick mark in the cell. Indicate the tick mark in the cell if the states are compatible. 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 Tick mark. That means D and E are straight away we can compare. No, therefore we put the tick mark. They are comparable. They are compatible means one can be replaced by another. B, second condition, B. You clearly write here because after 3-4 weeks you will forget. Out array you will see that array how this was filled here. Int are there, tick are there, A comma B are there, Isa. Like that it will confuse you. Clearly likho. Second step, indicate the int mark cross. Indicate the int mark if the states are not compatible. Not compatible. That means the outputs are dissimilar. Not compatible. That means the outputs are dissimilar. Outputs are dissimilar. Outputs are dissimilar. Then third point. Indicate the possible compatible pairs. Possible compatible pairs. Possible compatible pairs that make the particular states are compatible. That makes the particular states are compatible. That means when we compare A and B are compatible if and only if D and E pair are compatible. D and E pair are compatible, right? There is a condition. So as we continue our iteration, we will come to know D and E are compatible or not. Correct? No? That will be come to know later. So when we compare A with B, we cannot take any decision. Therefore, we are writing one condition there. If these two are equal, then obviously these two will be equal. These two will be equal. Correct? No? Right. Then you leave the algorithm, you come to this implication table now. So now
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Bolo.
Sir, can you just explain how we arrived at if both A and B are compatible, if D and E are compatible, how we arrived from the table? Just I wanted to know once.
From this table you are telling, from the state table?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, A and B, now you compare A with B. When we comparing A with B, here also 0, here also 0, here also 0,
Yes.
here also 0. Then there is
Yes,
no
sir.
any dissimilarity in the output.
Yes, sir. There is no
Then you
dissimilarity.
come here. Then we are comparing A with B. That means we are going to treat A and B together.
Okay, sir.
So if you look here, the A is going to B, B is going to A.
Yes, sir.
So when x equal to 1, this transition also within that states only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now so this is leave it because this is our comparison now. Then you come here, x equal to 0. There is conflict only in this x equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Correct? No, because
Yes,
if
sir.
A is going to D and B is going to E when x equal to 0. So if D and E, we proved that letter E and E are same, E and
Okay.
D are same, then we can say that A and B are same.
Okay, so that's D. Okay, I means it was not visible. I wrote it as A. Okay, got it, sir.
Okay, right, okay. Any more questions? Please ask me. No. Okay, good. So now we have made the entry here in this implication table. Next step is we have to reiterate it now. We have to reiterate and then we have to evaluate it. We assumed something now already. Whether the assumptions are valid or not valid, that we should do now. So you come here, then again you reiterate your all the pixels. A and B are compatible provided D and E are compatible. But D and E are compatible or not now? It is compatible, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
put a tick mark now. Therefore, A and B are also compatible. Put a tick mark. A and B are also compatible because D and E are obviously compatible now. So that we came to know after certain iterations. Therefore, put the tick mark. Then you come to C and D. C and D are compatible now? C and D are compatible or not?
No, sir.
Therefore, A and F is not compatible. A and F is not compatible because we assumed already C and D are compatible, then A and F are compatible, but C and D are not compatible. Therefore, A and F is also not compatible. Then come to B. Come to B. B and F के लिए A and B are compatible, and one more condition is C and E. C and E is not compatible, therefore it is not compatible. Even in one pair is not compatible, then obviously your states are not compatible. That particular state is not compatible. So C and E are not compatible, therefore B and F is not compatible. And this is compatible. D and G are compatible, and E and G are also compatible. So therefore, from this implication table, we came to know that, right, there are some compatible pairs. So what are they now? The compatible pairs are A comma B comma D comma E comma D comma G and E comma G. A comma B is compatible pair and D comma E are compatible pair, D comma G and E comma G. Go to the algorithm. Go to the algorithm. Step 3. Step 3. Reiterate the circuits. Reiterate the implication table I mean, after all the entry, reiterate the implication table and check for all possible compatibilities. And check for all possible compatibilities. Okay. Now look here. Next step. Lico. Next step. Next step in the algorithm. Then formulate the possible compatible pairs. Formulate the possible compatible pairs. We formulated now, right? We formulated. Come left side, right? The compatible pairs are A comma B, D comma E, D comma G, and E comma G. E comma G now. E comma G now. Correct now? Next step. Compare the next step in the algorithm. Compare the compatible pairs. Compare the compatible pairs with the state diagram. And find the final reduced states. And find the final reduced states. Listen here. So A comma B is one possible comparison. A comma B can be merged. Correct? No, A comma B can be merged because D and E are similar states that we came to know already after certain iterations now. So A comma B is over. C is not part of any comparison here. So C should be separate. C should be included from the state table, no? Because C state should not be missed in the final reduced state table or state diagram. So C has to be included. And then you look here, D, E, D, G, right? E, G, all are same now. Therefore, D comma, E comma, G can be merged together. Okay? Because all are same. D with E, D with G, E with G. So you merge them together. D, E, G can be merged. And then the one more state is final state is F now. So this is the final reduced states. Final reduced states. Finally reduced states. Final reduced states now. So therefore, now we are going to take this is as A, this may be as C, right? This may be as D, and this is as F now, right? So how many states are there totally? The A, B, C, D, F is just a variable, right? Because finally we are going to use only the flip-flop. Only two flip-flop are these four states now. So this you can use S0, S1, S2, S3, or A, B, C, D, or W, X1, X2, X3. These are all only variable to represent the states now. But ultimately we came to know that 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 states are required. 4 states are required for this implementation now. But totally how many states are there in the earlier case? 7 states are there. Totally 7 states are there. The 7 states are reduced into 4 states. 7 states are reduced into 4 states using the implication table. The same kind of reduction you will do if you use the state table reduction method as well. If you apply that method also, you will come to know like this only now. But subjected, you should put some conditions and then reiterate them again and again now. So this algorithm will straight away support us to find the compatible pairs to find the reduced state table or reduced state diagram now. Right. Now you give me the reduced state table. That means A and B will be treated as only one variable. C separate variable. D, G, E, pura D, and then F is one variable. So you design and give me present state, next state, output. X equal to 0, X equal to 1, X equal to 0, X equal to 1 now. So present state is A, C, D, F, that's all. So when X equal to 0, where does it go? And the same way you tell me the output. So this is the great advantage of this implication table, because we needed to subject the state diagram or state table into this implication table so that you will find the optimum number of table states that is required for the implementation of this particular application. Now I will name and then I will ask Pooja. You tell me this table now. Your toy is bigger than your face. Pooja, you tell me what is here? X equal 0.
Sir, actually video is blur for me, sir. Network issue.
That is fine. No problem. No problem. You tell me what is it? X equal 0 means where does it go from A state?
Sir, I didn't write actually.
You didn't write anything then.
Compatible pairs to the state diagram and find the final reduced state.
Okay, fine, very good. So now we got this one now. Okay, this is the final reduced states. Right. Next one, next step, Liko. Next step. Next step, apply the merger graph. Apply the merger graph. Apply the merger graph. MERGER. Merging, no, merger graph to find the maximal compatible pairs. To find the maximal compatible pairs. Maximal compatible pairs. Right? Then you come this side now. I will take another example to explain that merger diagram, because this example will give you the output easily. Merger. Where?
Sir, I want
Anvisha, bolo Anvisha.
Sir, if in implication table, we get for the comparison of A and B, we get like C and D. If they are C and D is compatible, then only A and B are equal.
Correct.
And then in the comparison of C and D, we are getting if A and B are compatible, then only C and D are compatible. Then in that case, what will we do? Like during the iteration, second
So suppose you are telling A and B is D and E. In a D and E, we are getting A and B.
Yes, sir. Then
both are not compatible.
Then we will put a cross. Okay, sir.
Okay, but you have to check now. See, two things are there. Suppose A and B are compatible if B and A and B are compatible if D and E are compatible. Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
if D and E are compatible, then A and B are compatible means you have to check the output and then the other transition. If all are equal, then you can merge them together.
Okay, sir.
No issue, you can merge them together. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any more questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, we will talk about the merger graph. Merger graph. This is a you take down this one. The merger graph is you take down some points. Then we will take one example and explain. The merger graph helps us to find the maximal compatible pairs. You will understand what does maximal compatible pairs mean. Implication table will give us only the compatible pairs, but maximum grouping, maximum possible grouping is called maximal compatible pairs, right? Maximal compatible pairs. Okay. We will take one example and then we will understand. This is mainly for maximal compatible pairs. Maximal compatible pairs, right? I will give you one state transition table. You try to formulate the implication table, then we will proceed. E comma dash. D comma dash. C comma dash. Dash comma dash. B comma dash. D comma 0. F comma dash. Dash comma dash. B comma dash. I tell you what does the dash mean. E comma 1. F comma 1. A comma dash. Dash comma dash. E comma dash. You take this one now. This is what we called incomplete state table. State table or state transition table. Incomplete state table or state transition table. The dash means they are the unspecified states or unspecified outputs. The comma is there now. The second one, the second and right side entry is a unspecified output. And the first left side entry, that is unspecified state.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, it is blurred.
Now, E, F comma dash, dash comma dash, B comma dash. E comma 1, sorry, E comma 1. Then F के लिए F comma 1, A comma dash, dash comma dash, E comma dash. So you encircle the stable state now. You circle the stable state. Do you know what is stable state? If A means wherever A is there, they are the stable state. B means in the same row, wherever B is there, they are the stable state. So all the stable state circle, encircle karo. That means this state transition table is incomplete because the output is clearly indicated only for the stable states. Right? For the other states, that means the transition states or switching states are not given the appropriate output. For some inputs, the states are also not given. States are also not given. Correct, no? Therefore, this is called incomplete state table now. Because this is not our intention. Our intention is understanding the merger diagram. Therefore, we needed to find the final compatible pairs using the implication table. So this is the state flow table. I mean implication state table, incomplete state table. You apply this one in the implication table. Understand? And then find the final compatible pairs. You tell me the final compatible pairs. I'm also doing now. You also do there. Then we will understand. So you tell me for compatible pairs, what should be the state here? What should be the state here? What's the starting state here?
A.
Very good. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. And then this side?
B, sir.
B, C, D, E, F. That's all. Simple. Then you formulate the table first. Follow the same algorithm. A and B can be compared or not? Can be compared. Because the unspecified states can be assigned to the expected states that is suitable for our comparison. Because the unspecified states can be assigned by any states suitable for our comparison now. So A and B can be compared because the C, this unspecified state in the B can be replaced by the state C. Therefore, this can be compared. A can be compared. B can be compared. And one unspecified state is there and that can be replaced by E state. Therefore, A, B is straight away comparable. Because in the A state, the stable state gives output 0. In the B state, there is a state A and the output is unspecified. Therefore, 0 can be assigned there. Right? And then in the B, the stable state is B and it gives output 1. But in the A, there is a transition to B state only, but the output is not given. Therefore, one can be assigned there. So A, B can be compared. And the same way A, C can be compared?
No, sir.
Why?
Because of 0, C comma 0. 0 is specified.
But 0 is specified, but A is a Z comma dash is there, no?
Okay, sir.
There we can assign 0, na? That unspecified state can be assigned by 0, na?
D comma dash, sir. Okay, sir. We can compare.
So A comma C can be compared. Like that, you fill up and then you tell me.
Sorry, even if there is only one change in a row, then also we cannot compare, right?
We cannot compare.
Okay, sir.
If the change is absolutely different,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
unassigned means you can assign. That is like don't care, no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, in this everything is compatible, sir, because every row has 2 dash, so we can do.
No. There are some compatible pairs. You check.
Sir,
If
in
outputs are
every
different, if the outputs are different, you cannot compare, no.
no, sir, but in like in every row there are 2 dash, so
No, 2 dash nagi. All the outputs should be compared. Not only 2 dash, no. All the cells should be compatible. See, for example, you cannot compare D and E.
Sir, C and D are compatible.
D and E are not compatible. Why?
C and D, sir.
C and D, C, A, B. You're compatible. C and D are compatible. But why D and E are not compatible? Mainak?
no idea.
You check there. F, C. You cannot compare.
Achha.
And then suppose assume that F and C are compatible, D and E are compatible. We can say. Then you go there, dash fine. B dash fine. But E, D, 0, 1 is in E and D, the outputs are completely different, no?
Okay, sir.
So you cannot compare, no, then.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Because the full row should be mapped. Full row should be matched.
Sir, E and F are compatible, sir. Rest all are not compatible.
So you fill up with the table and then you tell me the result. Finally, I will ask you. All of you, please work out. When you do, then only your doubt will come. You will ask me question. If you just copy from this notes, no, then you will not understand anything. When you really do, like Mainak, like Sankar, while you are writing, no, then you by yourself you will come to know so many doubts. अरे power गया या इधर. Power gaya here. So if suppose any disconnection is there, no, then I will come back connecting into some other UPS.
Okay.
Okay. Now you tell me. What about A and D?
Compatible, sir.
A and D are compatible. A and E?
Not compatible.
Not compatible, or any condition is there?
For C, comma F.
C, sir. C, comma F.
C, F, but now you come to know that it is not compatible, right? Is it correct, no?
Yes, sir.
So int A, F.
Sir, C, comma F not compatible.
Also C, F, but now it is not compatible. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
And then B, C.
Not compatible.
Any condition was there? Any implication was there?
So if D and E is
that also you tell me. D and E, but in the second iteration it came to know they are not compatible. B and D?
B and D.
D, E, but not compatible. B and E?
Compatible.
Compatible. Very good. D and F.
Compatible.
Compatible. Very good. C and D.
Compatible.
C and D compatible. Very good. C and E.
C, F, comma, D, sir.
1
C,
second.
comma,
1 second.
F.
Sir, once take that B and E, sir.
Once B and
E, sir.
B and E. B and E. No. So F dash A dash B dash E dash comparable. Compatible. Okay. You C and E. You tell me.
C, F, and D, E, not
C, F, D, sir.
What is the comparison? D.
not compatible. C, F, D, E, two conditions.
What are the conditions? What are the conditions?
C, F,
D, E,
Oh, 1 second. 1 second. D comma E. What is another one?
C, F,
comma, F.
C comma F. But not compatible now. Okay. C and F.
Not compatible, sir.
Not compatible. D and E.
Not compatible, sir.
Not compatible. D and F.
D, comma, E, C, comma, F, sir.
D comma E. C comma F. But not compatible now. Okay. E comma F.
Compatible, compatible, sir.
Compatible. Very good. So now you write the final compatible states. Final